So I found this AI recipe for a chocolate chip Rice Krispie cookie. It sounds delicious. I don't see how it would bake that way. So we're gonna try our own and see what happens. Brown sugar. Boom. Stick of butter, softened. 2 eggs. 2 cups of flour. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add in the flour. And we're gonna start making the Rice Krispies. Half cup. And then we're gonna mix up and quickly transfer to our cookie bowl. We're gonna add it right to our cookie batter. Now we're just gonna fold this in like we would any mix-in. And then I'm gonna add in our chocolate chips and a little bit more marshmallow. That looks so good. Let's scoop them. After 18 minutes, our chocolate chip Rice Krispies are done. You can see they look completely different than what the AI version of these look like. You can see some of the little rice granules, some of the marshmallows poking out, but it still looks like a cookie.